Hello everybody, Ben here, and today I'm going to do a video about building this Wolfer's 009 diesel kit, along with some of these Argon, I think that's how you say it, 009 wagons as well. Both kits were very straightforward to put together, as you can see from this time lapse. And then I painted them and added various different details. And here is now the model in its completed state, with various extra details added, like the exhaust on the side, the seat, and also various painted details like the sort of axle boxes being now faded silver, and the sort of gold wire on the side, and of course the weathering. And also you can see I've painted a little bit of the engine and weathered that heavily, and I quite like that aspect of this model. The wagons also have been sort of modified because you've got a barrel and the rail on it, which only is on one wagon, with the other wagon being empty, so if it could go round curves, it can. Obviously it can't stand up properly, but it looks good when you've put them on together like that. And you've also got the other one which just has various barrels and sacks on it, and I think the whole train looks pretty good when it's put together. The only problem is it doesn't fit on N-gauge track. As you can see, the sort of axle boxes rest on the track, but it's a little bit too narrow, because if you place it on one of the actual wheels on the track, it doesn't go onto the other one, as you can tell when I put it up against my pannier tank. There you are. Obviously though, it isn't powered, so this doesn't really make a difference, because, well, it was a very cheap kit. I would be very surprised if for the price it was actually be able to be powered. And the wagons are also the same. So I don't know what scale this is. I'm going to guess it's maybe, I don't know, OON3 or whatever, if that's even a scale. I don't know exactly what scale it is now though, because I believe 009 runs on N-gauge track because it's 9mm. But it does look good in the siding next to the station, obviously ignoring the fact that it is narrow gauge, the wrong scale, and doesn't actually run on the track. But the wagons look alright on the conflat. Maybe I'll build an 009 layout one day, so it's at home there with other narrow gauge locomotives, but we'll see. Thank you for watching this video by me. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below with some video ideas or feedback. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.